Hey guys, this is George, and on this video I'm doing a tutorial on how to jailbreak your iOS device, untethered jailbreak. So what that means is that you won't have to connect your device after you jailbreak in order to make it boot up or something like that. And if you, for example, lose all the battery and it turns off, or if you accidentally turn off your iPad or iPhone or iPod Touch, or if you install something from Cydia and it asks you to reboot your device. If you guys use Red Snow or something like that, you know that the jailbreak for 4.2.1 is tethered, so that you have to connect it every time you have to boot up your iOS device. GreenPois0n came out with a jailbreak recently that supports untethered jailbreaking for the iPod Touch 2, 3, and 4th generation, the iPhone 4, either AT&T or Verizon. The Apple TV will also be included on the list for supported devices on the newer version, and the iPad 1st Gen, which is the only one available right now. I'll put a download link in the description from the official website, so you can go to that website and download the newest version. And I'll also put personal links in the description so that you guys can download the links which I uploaded myself, so that just in case the website is down in any moment, you can still have access to the files. It's a very simple program. It's available for Mac, Windows, and Linux, and I'm gonna do a demonstration of how to do it. So keep watching and you'll watch the tutorial. Okay guys, so here we are on my computer. We're gonna start this process. Here you can see we have a folder called GreenPois0n, and inside this folder we have another folder called RC4 and RC5. That's just how I organized my files. On RC4 we have 3 files, one for Linux, one for Mac, and one for Windows. And on RC5 we have one for Mac and one for Windows. I'll upload these files to Mediafire and put the download links in the description, and I'll also put the website's link so you can download the newest versions of these files. So what we're gonna do right now, I have Windows, so we're gonna right click on this one, and you're gonna use any unarchiver program. So I'm gonna use WinRAR, and I'm gonna extract to a folder named the same way as the zip file. So you're going to open that folder and you're going to find a GreenPois0n app and the readme file. So the readme file, in order to read it, you have to rename it and enter TXT at the end, the text extension. So once you do that, it says text document, and you can double click on it and read it. So that's all the information about the jailbreak and stuff like that. You can see here are the supported files, iOS devices. So I'm going to close this window and I'm going to open GreenPois0n, and there we can see GreenPois0n. It says GreenPois0n RC5, so this is the 5th version. Then we have it says please power off your device and connect it to begin, and prepare for to jailbreak DFU. So in order to jailbreak with this program, you have to connect your iPad in DFU mode. So right now I'm going to show you how to do this. Okay guys, so here we have my iPad. As you can see, it's turned on and it doesn't have Cydia or anything. You can see I'm not going to go each folder, but you can see it's not jailbroken. So here we have the 30-pin iPad connector cable. We're going to connect it to it. First we're going to press the power button and hold it, and we're going to turn off our iOS device. So once we turn it off, we grab this connector and we plug it in. And now what we're going to do is press this button, the power button, and the home button at the same time. So 1, 2, 3. So we're going to keep it pressed for 10 seconds. After the screen goes black, you have to wait 3 seconds. And now you let go of the power button and you keep pressing the home button. So you keep pressing this button, but you let go of this one. So 10 seconds with this one and 10 seconds without this one. And once you hear on your computer a small sound, it means that you can let go and your iPad is on DFU mode. You can leave it right there and it's already on DFU, so you can already start to jailbreak. Okay, so you guys might have heard a small sound on your computer. That means that the iOS device got recognized by the computer in DFU mode. So once it's done, you have to select prepare for jailbreak, and we can see right there it says ready to jailbreak, and now you can click on jailbreak and it automatically does it. So you'll see this progress bar loading up and you'll see a bit of code, so I'll show you what that looks like. So now your iPad will start to reboot, and I'll show you right here. It's on, it has like a white screen. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. You can see it has a white screen and Let's see right there what it shows. Let's see, it says jailbreak failed, quit to restart. Quit, restart, and retry. So we're gonna press that, we're gonna open it again, and now we should see, yeah, now we have to enter DFU mode again in our iPad. So I'm gonna close this down and I want to enter DFU mode in my iPad again. Okay, so I entered DFU mode again. I'm gonna open GreenPois0n again, and it says ready to jailbreak, so we're gonna click on jailbreak. And again, you should see the progress bar loading up with some green bars, and you should see your iPad reboot a little bit, maybe. So right here we can see it's on. It has a white background, and it says it's jailbreaking. So now we can see some code in the screen. So I'm gonna hold it up like this, maybe. Actually, it reflects too much. So you can see the first time it failed, but it's kind of normal for programs like this. But once you try it 2 or 3 times, it should work perfectly. And developers are working on a newer version, RC6, which should improve some issues and stuff like that. So now we have to wait for all this code to pass by the iPad and finish the jailbreak process. In the computer it says jailbreaking. It's about to be finished, and now we just have to wait a little while. So I'll show you what that looks like. So now more code is scrolling through my iPad. Now on GreenPois0n on my computer, I'm going to zoom in. It says it's the jailbreak has completed and you can quit the program. So once that's done, you can delete the files if you want to. And now we have my iPad right here, which is scrolling some code through the screen. So it should finish in any moment right now, and it should show you the Cydia program on your iPad. So let's wait for a while. So here we have my iPad. I'm gonna slide to unlock, and I'm gonna scroll to the second page, and there we have a loader program. So we're gonna open that, and we're gonna go in portrait mode, and here you can install Cydia. So you're gonna press on that, and you're gonna press right here in the middle of the screen, install Cydia. It says downloading, so this should go pretty fast. It's not a very big program. So now it says extracting, and we should see right there success. So it should be done. Let's see if in options we can delete this program. Yeah, we can remove the loader.app program. So let's go back to the home screen, and we can see my iPad rebooting. So now it's gonna reboot, and we should see Cydia, and we should see that the loader program has been deleted. Okay, so here's my iPad again. I'm gonna slide to unlock, and we scroll to the second page, and now we see Cydia, so we can open it and start downloading jailbroken programs and stuff like that. So that's just a quick tutorial on how to do this on your iOS device, firmware 4.2.1. And this is for Windows, but you can do this on Linux or on a Mac too. So thank you for watching, guys. Remember to comment, rate, subscribe, follow me on Twitter for real-time updates, and goodbye, guys.